Welcome back to Squawk Box. Rick Santelli here, live in the Florida CME Group with November Consumer Price Index breaking. It is up 0.3, a tenth hotter than expected. And in the rearview mirror, up 0.4, unrevised. Strip out the all-important food and energy known as core. It is up 0.2 as expected. Year-over-year headline up 2.1. 1/10 hotter than expected, 0.3 higher than the rearview mirror. Finally, let's look at core on year-over-year, where you strip out food and energy, up 2.3, exactly as expected. So we could say a bit warmer, but maybe the point is that it is holding some of the monthly gains, of course, that we had last month. We'll continue to monitor pricing pressures on this, the last Fed meeting of the year, and on real average weekly earnings for November year-over-year, up 1.1. Average hourly earnings year-over-year also up 1.1. The market, well, we actually lost half a basis point or so, 183 in a 10-year note yield. We failed on Jobs Friday to really hold very long above the mid-180s. Resistance considered 186 to 190 as we go into today's meeting. Andrew, back to you.
Okay, Rick, thank you for that. I want to get back to Steve Liesman now, who joins us with more. Steve.
Yeah, as Rick suggested, a little hotter on the headline and pretty much in line on the core. One thing that's worth mentioning is the base effects from last year. We have sort of difficult comparison, so it's maybe a little bit hotter for that reason, but no real sign here of any concern for the Federal Reserve. Remember, their preferred inflation metric runs about a half a point below this one. So 2.3 on the core might mean, 1.8, 1.9 on the Fed's preferred indicator. So they're not going to see any particular concern. You do have increases pretty much across the board in the 0.1, 0.2. Nothing big standing out except for the 1.1% change in gasoline prices. I've been looking at things like services up 0.3% and housing up 0.2, 0.3. So it's pretty much in line, and I think no big reason for the market to make a trade here on this issue of the idea of inflation being relatively muted. Maybe the guy, Becky, that you have coming up can tell us what's going to happen with oil prices, and therefore we get a better look at what's going to happen with inflation.